welcome. Actually, we are welcome.
Thank you very much. I enjoy being here. It's great to be in Turkey.
Great. So, what do you think about the event so far? What are your impressions?
I'm very pleased. I think I'm so pleased with our team here in Turkey, and now I also see they're really good in making great events. We have a lot of partners here today. We have a lot of clients here as well, and we actually have a lot of our staff from all over the world and also here from Turkey. So I think it's all playing well together, and I really enjoyed the full day. Great discussions in the different panels. So I'm very pleased.
So you had really different panels. So they talked about optimization, creativity, brand safety. Which was the one that took your attention most?
I think they were all good. I mean, maybe the last session, which was about creativity, was really interesting, I think. But I think all the sessions were really good, and it proves that if you want to have good sessions, you need to bring industry executives and put them together and have open discussions. And I think it's great that the team choose to not have too long presentation, but more interactive presentations and many panels. So I think everyone, not only myself, enjoyed it. I spent the last half an hour mingle with clients, partners, and they're all really pleased. And I think they will have some time to go out and enjoy it in Istanbul today. And since we are here, I mean, we should go out and enjoy this great city as well.
So I won't keep you long, but one last question. What will we talk about next year in AdColony Intelligence Summit, do you think?
Next year?
Yeah.
Oh, that's far away. I think, first of all, I told Volkan that I wanted double as big next year, right? I want double as many partners, double as many clients, double as many AdColony employees to come here, because it's a great event and we're expanding. So that's number one. Topics, many of the topics will be the same, because it's a mobile is still on the horizon. You know, people spend a lot of time on mobile, but still we don't see the same spend on mobile as you see on TV. So many of the things we discussed today, I think they'll still be relevant next year. And then I hope there will be many interesting use cases, which proves that we're on the right direction. We, for example, on the creativity, also here in Turkey, we have a lot of our creatives are not being done here down here. So I think we will see even more a variety of different campaigns we're doing around the world, made here, and we'll demonstrate those.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.